Artificial Intelligence and Data Science from GSSIETW Mysore. I have built a machine learning web app that predicts house prices in Mysore. The main goal is to help users estimate the property values based on key inputs like property type, location, area, and the number of bedrooms. So I have built the app using Streamlit for the front end and XG Booster, which is the prediction model. The data is cleaned and engineered to include features like log transformed area, bedroom to area ratio, the number of bedrooms, location, and the property type. So the model is trained using the processed data and saved in the pickle file format. So initially I wanted to consider the linear regression model for its simplicity and interpretability, but the house prices are influenced by complex and non-linear interactions. So I chose to prefer XGBoost, which is a gradient boosting algorithm which can handle non-linear relationships, feature interactions, missing values, outliers, and skewed distributions. It also provides an inbuilt regularization to prevent overfitting, and also has a strong performance with the tabular data. So here we have our code distribution. So I have downloaded the required packages like Streamlit for our web app user interface, and then we have Pandas and NumPy for the data handling, JobLib, which will load the trained machine learning model, and Matplotlib for the price distribution. And then this part of the code will load the machine learning model that has been trained and saved in the model in the name of XGB model in a pickle file format, and the engineered data is loaded later for the price distribution. And then CSS is used for the custom styling of the background, title, buttons, and the containers, which will make the user ease of users. And then we have user input, where the user input is converted into the same feature format in which the model has been trained. And then when the user presses the predict button, the data is processed or passed to the model, which then converts the data and predicts it as a log transformed price, and which is then converted into the actual price and displayed. And then we have sidebar summary, which includes all the details like the input details, the price predicted, along with the 10 top locations of Mysore. And here's the usage of the app. So when we go to our app, we have the Mysore house price predictor, and then we have all the input details here: total area, number of bedrooms, location, and property type. Number of area, you can either increase or decrease, or either just enter the data you want. And the number of bedrooms. And for the location, we have drop down and the number of locations mentioned here. So I'm going to choose one location. And then we have property type, in which we have apartment, house, and villa. You can choose one and predict the price. So here the estimated price is displayed along with the summary and the top 10 locations here. And here is the histogram that will show the visualization of the distribution of prices, with the pink line indicating the predicted price. So this is my project. Thank you.